Hey there, security seekers and gadget lovers. Today, we're diving into the best smart security cameras that will keep your home, pets, and nosy neighbors in check. Links to every product mentioned right in the description below. Let's roll. First up, the Kasa Indoor Pan Tilt Cam. This little guy lets you live stream in crisp 1080 Full HD and pan tilt like a high-tech security guard. Need to tell your cat to get off the counter? Boom! Two-way audio. Plus, real-time motion and sound alerts keep you updated on everything from break-ins to your dog's sneaky midnight fridge raids. And, of course, it plays nice with Alexa and Google Assistant. The WYZE Cam V3 is basically night vision goggles for your home. Its starlight sensor sees in full color, even in the dark, and it laughs in the face of rain. IP65 rated. Got sneaky intruders? Motion and sound alerts have your back. Want 24/7 surveillance? Pop in a micro SD card and let it roll. Bonus. It plays nice with your smart home, IFTT certified. Big security, tiny package. Meet the Ring Indoor Cam, the MVP of plug-and-play security. 1080p HD? Check. Color night vision? Check. Motion alerts? Double check. Plus, it's got a manual privacy cover. Because, nobody wants Big Brother watching 24/7. Mount it anywhere and control it via Alexa. Want continuous recording and extra perks? Ring Home subscriptions got you covered. For the outdoorsy types, we've got the Blink Outdoor 4. Totally wireless with a 2-year battery life. Yes, you heard that right. This cam is your set it and forget it solution. Enhanced motion detection, person alerts, and 1080p live view make sure you don't miss a thing. And it's Alexa friendly, so you can go full spy mode just by using your voice. Whether it's catching package thieves or raccoons stealing your garbage, Blink has your back. The Blink Mini 2 packs a punch in a pint-sized frame. With 1080p HD, color night vision, and two-way audio, you can monitor your home from anywhere. Get motion alerts and smart notifications. Yes, it even detects people. Creepy but useful. Want it outside? Just grab the weather-resistant adapter. Bonus, it doubles as a doorbell chime and chats with Alexa. Tiny but mighty. Last but definitely not least, the blurams Dome Lite 2. This cam doesn't just watch, it auto-tracks motion. It's got 2K resolution for ultra-clear footage, night vision, and instant AI alerts. Oh, and it integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant. The best part? No monthly fees for basic cloud storage because who likes subscriptions anyway? And there you have it. Your ultimate guide to home security. Whether you need full room tracking, outdoor durability, or budget-friendly indoor monitoring, there's a camera here for you. Want more gadget reviews? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one you're getting. Links are in the description. Go check them out. Stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next one.